Hey y'all, I thought I'd give you an update on my containers that I started on August the 9th. Today is September the 9th, and things are just going great. I think you'll be surprised to see how well these vegetables are growing in the few little containers that I have available to me in the really one little sunny spot I have on my property. So this just goes to show that you don't have to have a ton of space or a ton of sunlight or a ton of equipment or a lot of money or a lot of time. You can just plant some seeds in some containers, set them in a sunny spot, and Mother Nature really does the rest. I have kept them watered so they don't dry out, but other than that, the seeds are gonna do what the seeds are gonna do, and I'm just enjoying the process. I'd like to encourage any of y'all that want to try it, give it a go. I don't think you'll be disappointed. You may even catch the gardening bug. Good luck. Good morning, Rebel. These sedum are some of my favorite things in the early fall. If the deer don't eat them up. But these are looking so pretty. Love them. This is a 1 month update of my vegetable containers that I planted August the 9th, and today is September the 9th. So it's been exactly 1 month. I started all of these containers just with seed. And look how they're doing. These are the rattlesnake string beans, and they're pole beans. They're running. They're doing quite nicely. And look, today, this morning is glorious. It's just 60 degrees. I'm in Mississippi, zone 8A. And most of the time people will grow these beans like for a summer crop. But I thought I'm gonna try to see if they will grow in the fall since we have a long growing season. So far, so good. Now these two are bush beans, some kind of bush beans, contender bush beans, I think. And I think this pot right here, we had to restart those, so we had to put some new beans in there. The first ones didn't take, so we had to redo those, so it's a little bit smaller. But it's coming right along. More bush beans. These are the Blue Lake bush beans. Look at here. Look at that happy bee. And I wish you would look at that little bitty. Can you see the little squash growing right there? This is a straight neck yellow squash. Look at that. I've got a squash growing. I'm excited about that. These plants look really healthy, really good. Now these are the zucchini. They're not looking so great. I think maybe I might need to separate these little plants and put them in, separate pots. But yeah, just thought I'd give you an update and show you what 1 month can do. I still have some zinnias blooming, and my basil is blooming. Now I don't use this for eating at this stage, I just use it for flower arranging. I love this kind of peachy pink color of zinnias. This is my carrot update. I haven't thinned them, as you can see. I'm gonna have to do that. But look, I have some looking like real carrot greens right there. Ooh. So yeah, I'll have to come through and thin these. I think I'll just get some snips and cut them off at the base or at the top of the soil, the ones that don't look the best, and give the others room to grow and thrive. But yeah, I seeded these on 8/24, and today is September 9th. And these rattlesnake beans are growing and climbing. Doing pretty good. Now these tomato plants look horrible. Oh, I knew I should have taken that tomato in. Look, some kind of varmint got it. Just my luck. Yeah, I'll probably be pulling these tomato plants out pretty soon. But that'll leave me room to grow some greens, like collard greens and turnip greens and fun things like that. I'm gonna get this tomato too. There's a good cucumber hiding. And I'm still getting these cute little Sweet 100 tomatoes. Little cherry tomatoes. Breakfast. You can see it doesn't take much to make me excited and make me happy. Fun times. Beautiful weather. Pretty garden. Pretty plants. Pretty vegetables or fruit. Make my work day go better. Good for your mental health too. All right, y'all have a good day. And I will try to do the same. Bye-bye.